If you've ever struggled to find Mac games on itch.io, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to filter itch.io so you can see only macOS compatible games, without wasting time scrolling through titles that won't work on your device. This is a super simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time if you're looking for indie games, jam entries, or hidden gems that run on Mac. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and web tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to itch.io. Once the homepage loads, take a look at the left-hand side of the page. That's where itch.io keeps its search filters, and this is the key to narrowing down your results. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to scroll a little bit to see all the filter options. Now, in the filter menu on the left, find the section labeled Platform. This section lets you choose which operating system or device type you want games for. Under that Platform section, click macOS. As soon as you select it, itch.io will refresh the results and show you games that are compatible with Mac. That's it. You've now filtered itch.io to find macOS games only. From here, you can keep browsing the results, sort them, or combine this filter with other options like genre, tags, or price to find exactly what you want. For example, you can search for free Mac games, horror games for Mac, or relaxing indie games that run on macOS. This is one of the easiest ways to make itch.io much more useful, especially if you're a Mac user looking for new games without having to check every listing manually. And if you want to search even faster next time, remember that the platform filter is always the first place to check. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.